How to fix Frigidaire ice maker says add water, but it's full. So if it gives you that notification to add water even though the reservoir is full, so the issue is usually caused by a sensor or water flow problem rather than the actual water level. If you were planning on opening the device or your ice maker itself, it is somewhat kind of risky and dangerous. So make sure you do know what you're doing. Make sure there's no power or electricity, or you could consult an actual electrician or just ask for support from the website, from the official website or customer support. So make sure you're not doing anything dangerous first. But anyways, you can start by turning the unit off and unplugging it for 5 to 10 minutes to reset the internal sensors. You can then check your water reservoir or the similar to really make sure it is seated properly and not tilted, since misalignment can prevent the sensor from detecting water correctly. Also inspect for debris or mineral buildup around the water sensor or float, as this can block accurate readings. And if the problem is still happening, then you can go ahead to try cleaning the machine thoroughly using warm water or vinegar if you want to try that, to remove any scale buildup that may be interfering with the sensor or pump. You can check that the water pump is working by listening for a humming sound when the unit runs. If it's silent or weak, it might be clogged or failing. So you should also ensure that the water intake area isn't frozen or blocked. If none of those fixes work, the issue may be actually the faulty water level sensor or internal component, which could mean you're going to require a repair or replacement. One of the best ways you can do this is on their official website. So open up your preferred browser, search for Frigidaire, and then go ahead into their website. You can contact them directly and you can tell them your specific problem with your specific unit. And once they get to you, they will tell you on how to potentially fix your issue and how to solve it. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.